Howdy, thanks for joining us. I'm Wayne. We got another item here we picked up. This came from the dollar store. It says, I fly ball. It's like a little helicopter type gyro thing. Flying 8 to 10 minutes. Miniature. There it is. We're going to open it up, see what it does. Well, that's how it does. Pretty nifty. Flies like this, I guess. Charging cables here on the bottom. There's a little button right there. There it goes. Alright. Turn that little button back off now. There we go. Okay, we're going to fly it here in a semi-dark room. This way you can see the lights flashing. See how it goes. Turn it on and... Uh-oh, the rotors got hung up, so it shuts off automatically if you get the rotors hung up. Straighten them out a little bit to be sure they're not hung up on each other. Turn it on. There it goes. Now it senses your hand with like an infrared beam and goes up. That way you keep it from hitting the ground. You gotta be pretty nimble, I guess. Just let it go down, see what it does. Oh, it sensed the floor and came back up. Can't catch it, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Hit the ceiling and turned off. Well, that's how it goes, okay? Have a lot of fun. See you next time. Well, the wind gives it kind of a hard time outside it. Yep, see, I think we're going back in the house.